For some reason, me coming in the woods making this video was a good idea to me. So I want to share this journey. I've been trading stock options. Well, I started learning about stock options 6/18/2023. Today is 10. So it's going on 4 months. Today is 10/5. So it's right short of 4 months. I've been learning about, stock options, how to day trade, how to swing, how to scout, and just learning how to get in and get out of plays. Um, just realizing, man, it's a lot of people that's actually making money off of this. By like 11 o'clock, 10:30, sometimes they're done. And just wanted to start talking about it, create a conversation. I know it may be somebody else out there that's thinking about starting it. And hey, guess what? If you're watching this and you're thinking about starting it, I'm brand new too. We can share some success stories. First thing I know you need to do though, if you want to get started in stock options, you got to download the platform you're going to use. So the platform I use is TD Ameritrade. They have an app called Thinkorswim. That's the platform. The reason I'm getting scared out here. The reason you got to have a platform is because you don't have the ability to go on the floor and trade a stock or purchase a stock. So you got to do it through somebody. Some people use Robinhood. Some people use whatever. I use TD Ameritrade, so I'm familiar with that. It's called Thinkorswim. You download that, and that's where you can buy the option contract set. The next app you need is um, TradingView app. TradingView is where you can watch all the charts. You can have it set up on the screen so you can have like 4 charts, 2 charts, 1 chart, whatever. But you got to get TradingView. I'm gonna post the links to those apps in the description to this video that you can click on to download Thinkorswim and TradingView. Thinkorswim is going to be the platform that you purchase your options on and trade. TradingView is going to be where you view the charts and the graphs and all that. And I use Heikin-Ashi candles. What I look at the 5 and the 15. And just to be honest, I've been doing this for 4 months, and I blew my account. So I'm not coming on here saying that I'm a boss. I got this figured out. I'm saying like this is what I'm working on. This is what I'm trying to figure out. I invest time in it, and I do believe that if you can find a consistent entry and exit strategy and have a stop loss and the profit zones already set up, I do believe that you can consistently win over time. I just haven't got there. I still do emotional stuff, get in, then emotional trade, grudge trade, and just struggling with the trading psychology part. But I do believe that there are symbols that exist. I'm getting scared out here. I do believe that there's things that exist that will help you with your trades. I gotta move this. It'll help you with your trades, so while you're trading, you can get in on the right play and then understand when to exit. Everything happens so quick. But let's go ahead. Let's hop on a journey, download the 2 apps, and we're gonna talk about it because with this option thing, man, it's normalizing millionaires. To be paid 1,000 there, 100,000 there ain't nothing out here between social media and the money people can make on their phone. It's really nothing. It's normal. Like we should really be ashamed if you broke, if you're struggling and broke. It should really be a problem. Like millionaires has been normalized. I'm not selling you on this. I'm just saying I'm trying to learn something. This could be a dialogue. If you first starting trading, want to day trade, want to scout, drop a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll talk about it. This isn't what my channel is about, though. Understand my channel is a legacy that I want to leave. So if something ever happened to me, my kids and grandkids won't only have to look at pictures of me, but they can also have videos of me. And maybe my son somewhere one day and he's dealing with something, whether I'm here or not, he can just tune on and be like, man, I know my daddy made a video about that. Let me check out his thoughts on this thing. So I'm just showing you that as you grow, as you go through life, is different areas and different steps you got to take. And now it's just another step that you got to realize exists, man. People getting paid off this smartphone. And we're gonna go ahead and tap in a little bit, see what we can do. Follow me, y'all. Y'all stay heavily motivated. Peace.